Welcome to AI for Real, your gateway to the world of AI. I am Iwa, and this channel is dedicated to showcasing the latest AI developments, including products, apps, and APIs in a way that anyone can understand. From groundbreaking innovations to practical applications, we'll dive deep into the realm of artificial intelligence, uncovering how it impacts our lives and transforms industries. Join us on this journey as we demystify AI and make it accessible to everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs.